Hello viewers, I went out strapping today. I found this cool little old fire basket in well need of some TLC, but you could put a fire in that. It's got like a little vents and a little door on it to stop the ash coming out. And air inlet point. Yeah, that'll come up nice, and put a big fire in that. Found this tiny little baby fridge. The only problem I see with this is it's got a European plug on it, but it's still 240 volts, 50 hertz. I can't complain, that'll clean up quite nicely. What do we got there? R12 gas, yeah, 220 to 240 volts, 50 hertz. Yeah, 95 watts. Yeah, that'll be clean. And I also got an air conditioner that I have yet to get out of the car. I'll see if this fridge works first. This should be easy enough to fix. Oh yeah, I found some more old fluorescent lights as well. All the ends are good on these, which is hard to come by these days. Right, well, I've put a new wire on this fridge. Now it's to Australian standards. Well, almost. Let's see if it works. Quite impressive. Oh well, give that a little while to pressurize and get cold. Sounds like something's happening. Let's see what happens in 20 minutes. Oh well, this fridge has been running for 20 minutes now. That seems quite happy. Compressor's settled down. Coil's nice and warm. And best of all, it's cold in there. Evaporated coil's nice and cold. It's actually cooled it down nicely. Oh, it's not a bad little find. The thing's tiny. Made in Spain. Oh, onto the air conditioner next. Oh well, I set a small fire in this little fire basket thing. Thought what I could find. See if I can find some more. It's well ventilated, I'll give it that. Oh well, I found some more wood as well. I think I might keep this. It's a nice fire and lots of heat. Oh well, here's the air conditioner I found. And surprisingly, it's exactly the same as that. Toshiba. This one's absolutely filthy, as you can see. I'll clean it all up and see if it runs. The coil seems to be in fairly good condition. That's disgusting. No, see how I go. Oh well, I got the covers off, and it's absolutely disgusting. Look at that fan. Rotten. It's even got mould on it. So I have to clean this up tomorrow. It's disgusting. I've got most of the leaves out though, so I can give it a test run if it works. And I've put the cover off my other one on there so I can see what one's working. Let's try high fan to start with. See if that works. Nothing appears to happen. Let's try my cool. Well, the compressor works, but no fan. Now I'll have to test the fan. The motor in that one went. This one's probably gone too. Okay, I took the control box off and found that the motor had been disconnected for some odd reason. The negative and the capacitor wire. Let's see what happens. It goes pop or not. Okay, so there was some more leads. That seems to work. Let's see what happens when we call for call. Pressure's a bit noisy, but it was sitting on its back when I got it. The oil's probably got to get to where it's got to go. Oh well, it's working at least. I'll give this a clean up tomorrow. Clean the fridge as well, that's working good. -1 in there at the moment. Thank you for watching. Well, it's been running for about 5 minutes now. The compressor's quieting down nicely. It hasn't frozen up too bad out here. It's 8 degrees Celsius at the moment. Quite happy with this unit. Just needs a great clean to do that tomorrow.